Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by powering off and verifying 0 volts at the connector, safety first. Once done, remove any covering panels and free the cable to reach the connector easily. Strip 6/8 mm of insulation, exposing clean copper. Make sure you match wire gauge and terminal size. Slide the new terminal onto the wire and position the crimper jaw precisely. You want a firm mechanical bite before heat shrink. Keep calm and steady pressure. Rushing ruins crimps. You now crimp. Place the terminal in the exact die and squeeze fully until the tool cycles. Once done, inspect the joint closely. No loose strands and the insulation collar must grip the jacket. If the crimp looks off, cut and redo. Never reuse a bad terminal. Slide heat shrink over the crimp, apply even heat to seal and relieve stress, and confirm terminal orientation matches mating connector. Make sure connectors seat smoothly when mated. Alignment prevents bending pins. You finish by reconnecting the assembly and restoring power carefully. Measure continuity and verify the correct voltage under light load. Once satisfied, secure cables with strain relief and reassemble covers to prevent movement. If you see intermittent readings or heating, shut down immediately and recheck the crimp and terminal seating. If problems persist, replace the terminal and inspect the mating connector for bent pins or corrosion. Remember, most failures come from poor crimp.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.